Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're noticing Google Chrome is experiencing high disk usage. So while Google Chrome, in my view, and many others' view, is by no means a light browser, it certainly should not be exceptionally slow, and it really should not be slowing down your system performance that greatly, especially as the software has improved over the years and the computers have gotten faster. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple causes for potential issues you might be having with memory usage and how to hopefully go about resolving them. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to check what Google Chrome extensions you may have open. So more extensions you have open, the longer it takes web pages to load, bogs down your browser, and thus slows your computer down. So in order to check your extension, you would just go ahead and select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser, and then select More Tools, and then you would select Extensions. So if you notice any extensions in here you're not using, you can just go ahead and select the remove option or turn them off by selecting the toggle oval here. So if you toggle to the off position, it'll turn it off. And basically what turning it off means it's not going to be running in the background, which means it should hopefully speed up your browsing experience. And this will go for other extensions as well, not just the generic ones you see listed here. Another thing we can go ahead and try here would be to open up the settings menu again, and this time go ahead and select settings near the bottom of this list. Scroll down until you get to advanced and you want to expand that. And now locate the system area where it says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Go ahead and just toggle this to the off position. And then I would attempt to restart your browser and see if that again has resolved the problem. So once you're done with that, with it just closing out of here, restart your computer and see if that has hopefully sped up Google Chrome a little bit for you guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.